Alright guys, we're going up for qualifier number 4. We're right in the middle of the heat of the day, so to be totally honest, I don't look for anything spectacular to come out of this one. Maybe it'll surprise us and give us a better number. So far we're qualified number 31 at 365.4. I think it's going to take 364 to get in the field after Q5. But all we can do is go up there, and everybody's dealt the same hand. So Q4 is probably going to be a rough one because it's pretty warm out there. But we'll go send it and see what happens. There it is.
Does that say 6'3"? Yes!
Good job. Test.
Unfortunately, the guy
Hey, Tammy, Miss Tammy.
rotated. Alright guys, we moved some weight around and I'm telling y'all it worked. That was a ride, side by side pass. Alright guys, so just got back from PB for us ever in my whole life. So super excited about that. Greg done a heck of a job. The whole team done a good job. 63.0, I'm gonna call it 206 all day long. It's 205.91. We calling that 206, y'all. But super happy, super happy. Look, if you need a trailer, y'all know who to call. Scott Taylor, Drake Trailers, Hattiesburg.